What's up, guys? It's the thepipmagnet here, back again with the second video to show you how this EA is performing. This is the profits for today, $515 as you can see, and yeah, it's been doing pretty good. As you can see, this is the history. You can go through how many losses is made today. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 losses. 8, 9. Oh, actually 9 losses today. Only 9 losses today, and all the rest are just profits. So yeah, this bot has been really doing wonders. It's been really doing wonders. Right now, it might seem like it's in the negative, but trust me, it will close in positive. Everything will be blue. This robot is here to make money and money only. So if you guys want this EA, I'm sure you know what to do already, guys. You just hit the description below, and yeah, you'll get the EA at a very fair price, and you're gonna get something that's worth your money. But yeah, this is all I have to show you. If I can, let me try and also like show you last week, today and yesterday's trades. Yes. Okay, so from today from the 9th. Okay, so this is the profits it is made in 2 days only. Started running this thing on Monday, and as you can see, today is Tuesday, and this is the profit it's made in total, 1,565 pounds, Great Britain pounds, not US dollars, not rands, Great Britain pounds. And if we can go through the losses, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 losses, and the rest are profits. The rest are profits, and just 18 losses, guys. I mean, guys, this bot is the one. This is what you're looking for, guys. Trust me, this bot is doing wonders, and I'm not going to stop it until the week ends. I'll be posting a video every day until the week ends to show you how this bot is doing. And if you're interested in this bot, you know what to do. Peace. I'm out.